Neha, and I am studying in Christ University, pursuing BTech in specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And my project is EcoScan. So, as we all know, most of the general AI chatbots, they are really good at solving problems, but when it comes to mathematical equation, they sometimes make mistakes in interpreting it. Most of the time when it is mathematical equations in a handwritten format. So what EcoScan does is it allows the users to upload an image of the handwritten mathematical equation, and it recognizes it, and then it classifies what type of equation it is, and it solves it. So here I'll start with the demo. I'm gonna upload a image of quadratic equation. So while it's uploading, I'll just give a brief view of the workflow, how it works. So for the front end, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend, I have used Fast API, and I have used Unicorn for the server. For and then for images, I have used two libraries, that is OpenCV and Pillow. These two are the libraries that is used for the image pre-processing, and OpenCV, it helps us to it helps in resizing the image, converting it into grayscale, which makes the quality more easier for the OCR model to recognize it. And then Pillow, it helps in converting it to different formats if necessary. And for the OCR, I have used the pre-trained model, that is fixed to text. Here, after the handwritten image, this is the image that I have uploaded. And after the handwritten image is uploaded, fixed to text, it converts it into a LaTeX format. And this LaTeX format is then rendered. It is converted into, it is made into a human readable format using math facts. And then the solution, we get the solution using the SymPy library, which is used for solving any mathematical equations. And then the explanation is generated, which I've used an rule-based AI system for the explanation. So here, this is the executed form. So our equation was x squared minus 13x plus 36, which is equal to 0. And this is the recognized LaTeX format. And we can see that the equation type, it is a quadratic equation, and then it has provided us with the solution. And this is the rendered equation. So for any people who are not in the tech field, for them to understand what it is, the rendered equation is there. And then this is the explanation, step-by-step explanation on how it solved the problem. And then there is a note also in case for this type of question, this type of equation, what is it? So any additional notes, it's provided. And I also added one additional feature, that is editable feature. Now in case if I upload an image and if this was supposed to be 1 and I've scratched it or something and it looks like 2, so if I want to edit it, then I can just edit here. There's an edit button. After clicking here, I can just change it. Now if I want to change the power to 1 instead of 2, and then I can just rerun it. So after rerunning, you can notice that the solution summary also has changed. Now it has shifted from quadratic equation to linear equation, and the solution is also generated. And then for the same similar way, the steps also have changed. So accordingly, we have different steps and the solution and different nodes. So yeah, this is my project. Thank you.